Jaya Hind everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about the Operation Ganga, which was conducted in 2023, so let's begin. Operation Ganga was a humanitarian effort undertaken by the Indian government in 2022, not 2023, to evacuate Indian citizens stranded in Ukraine during the Russian invasion. Here's a detailed overview. Background. Russia launched a military invasion of Ukraine on February 24, 2022. Thousands of Indian students, workers, and citizens were stranded in Ukraine. The Indian government launched Operation Ganga to evacuate its citizens. Evacuation efforts. The operation began on February 26, 2022. Indian authorities worked with Ukrainian and Russian officials to facilitate evacuations. Special flights, trains, and buses were arranged to transport evacuees to safety. Evacuation centers were set up in Ukraine, Poland, Romania, Hungary, and Slovakia. Key statistics. Over 22,000 Indian citizens were evacuated from Ukraine. 90 flights were operated under Operation Ganga. 200,000 kilograms of relief material were transported. Challenges. Evacuations were carried out amidst ongoing conflict and shelling. Indian teams faced logistical challenges, including fuel shortages and damaged infrastructure. Coordination with Ukrainian and Russian authorities was crucial. Government response. The Indian government established a control room to monitor evacuations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar personally oversaw the operation. Indian embassies and consulates in Ukraine, Poland, and other countries assisted with evacuations. Humanitarian efforts. India provided humanitarian aid, including food, medicine, and warm clothing. Indian organizations and individuals donated to support evacuees. Legacy. Operation Ganga demonstrated India's commitment to protecting its citizens abroad. The operation showcased India's logistical and diplomatic capabilities in crisis situations. Please note that Operation Ganga was a response to the 2022 Ukraine-Russia conflict, and there is no information available on an Operation Ganga in 2023. Evacuation routes. India established evacuation routes through Ukraine's neighboring countries, including Poland, Romania, Hungary, and Slovakia. Special corridors were created to facilitate safe passage for evacuees. Support from other countries. India received support from other countries, including Poland, Romania, and Hungary, in facilitating evacuations. These countries provided transportation, food, and shelter to Indian evacuees. Indian Navy's role. The Indian Navy played a crucial role in evacuating citizens from Ukraine's Black Sea port city, Odessa. In Sumitra, an Indian Navy ship was deployed to Odessa to evacuate stranded citizens. Air India's role. Air India operated special flights to evacuate citizens from Ukraine and neighboring countries. The airline deployed its largest aircraft, the Boeing 777, to transport evacuees. Embassy efforts. The Indian Embassy in Ukraine and neighboring countries worked tirelessly to assist evacuees. Embassy officials helped with documentation, transportation, and accommodation for evacuees. Citizen engagement. Indian citizens in Ukraine and neighboring countries volunteered to assist with evacuations. Social media platforms were used to coordinate efforts and provide updates on evacuation procedures. Here are some additional details about Operation Ganga. Financial assistance. The Indian government provided financial assistance to evacuees, including reimbursement for travel expenses and accommodation. The government also announced a special package for students, including tuition fee reimbursement and accommodation assistance. Psychological support. The Indian government provided psychological support and counseling services to evacuees who had undergone traumatic experiences. Specialized teams were deployed to provide emotional support and guidance. Healthcare support. Medical teams were deployed to provide healthcare support to evacuees, including those with chronic medical conditions. Specialized medical equipment and supplies were also airlifted to support healthcare efforts. Student-specific support. The Indian government announced special measures for students, including reimbursement of tuition fees, accommodation assistance, support for online classes, extension of deadlines for exams and academic submissions, coordination with universities, The Indian government coordinated with universities in Ukraine and India to facilitate academic support for evacuated students. Efforts were made to ensure minimal disruption to students' academic pursuits. Repatriation efforts. The Indian government worked to repatriate the bodies of Indian citizens who lost their lives during the conflict. Special flights were operated to bring back the mortal remains. Digital support. The Indian government created a dedicated website and social media channels to provide updates and information on evacuation procedures. A helpline number was established to assist evacuees with queries and concerns. Collaboration with NGOs. The Indian government partnered with non-governmental organizations, NGOs, to provide support services to evacuees. NGOs assisted with food, shelter, and emotional support for evacuees. Recognition and appreciation. The Indian government recognized and appreciated the efforts of officials, diplomats, and citizens involved in Operation Ganga. Awards and commendations were announced for outstanding contributions. International cooperation. Operation Ganga demonstrated India's ability to work with international partners during a crisis. The operation highlighted the importance of diplomatic relations and cooperation in times of need. Post-evacuation support. The Indian government provided post-evacuation support to citizens, including assistance with documentation, employment, and education. Efforts were made to ensure a smooth transition for evacuees returning to India. Review and analysis. The Indian government conducted a thorough review and analysis of Operation Ganga to identify areas for improvement. Lessons learned from the operation will be applied to future crisis management efforts. Here are some additional details about Operation Ganga. Legal and administrative support. The Indian government provided legal and administrative support to evacuees, including assistance with documentation and paperwork. Efforts were made to simplify procedures and reduce bureaucratic hurdles. Coordination with state governments. The Indian government worked closely with state governments to ensure a unified response to the crisis. State governments provided support with accommodation, food, and transportation for evacuees. Health screening and vaccination. The Indian government conducted health screenings and provided vaccinations to evacuees, if necessary. Efforts were made to prevent the spread of diseases and ensure public health. Psychological counseling for families. The Indian government provided psychological counseling and support to families of evacuees. Efforts were made to address concerns and anxieties of families affected by the crisis. Financial support to families. The Indian government provided financial support to families of evacuees, including compensation for loss of income. Efforts were made to mitigate the economic impact of the crisis on affected families. Review of evacuation procedures. The Indian government conducted a thorough review of evacuation procedures to identify areas for improvement. Recommendations were made to enhance the effectiveness of future evacuation efforts.